Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC and outdoor gear review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, I am super stoked. You guys know I love my flashlights. Well, about a year ago, Wurrkos sent over this flashlight here. And I thought this was one of the best flashlights to come around in a long time. And this was the HD02. Well, they've now sent along a new version, the HD02 Pro. So what this does is this really takes this flashlight to a new level by adding some features that this one did not have. So let's open this up, see what we have, and kind of run down what it can do. All right, let's put that off to the side. To be truthful, I already opened this just to get it set up so that way we could use it. But in the box, you've got your flashlight. And wow, look at that. It's got a new colorway. It's blue. Let's put that down here. Move the box over. Get that out of the way. And let's see what else is in the box. So you've got a README section. I'm sure, let's get that open. And in there you've got your instruction manual, charging cable, and a lanyard. All right, so let's get those out of the way. We don't need to look at those. Bring that box back in a bit. But let's look at the form factor. Both of them look exactly the same other than the color. But this is it used to be a basically 3-in-1 flashlight. Now it's a 5-in-1. So what you have on here is you've got a spotlight, you've got these great wing lights. And the wing lights are awesome. As soon as you open that up, the wing lights turn on. And those are great, and you can adjust the level on those, but they work great as a work light. What makes these even better is that there's a tripod mount here on the bottom. So if you're out camping, you can put that on a tripod, use it as your lantern. But one of the things about this that they improved was last version, okay, these, I've got this one set much brighter, but these could only open up and go this way. So you were kind of stuck in that configuration. Well, what they did on this new version, and I don't have this turned up because I don't want to blind the camera, is they made these rotatable by 180 degrees. So you have a lot of options on how you can project the light. I think that's a huge upgrade right there alone, but that's not the only upgrade. Let's show you what else this has. If you look at the tops of both, they look similar, but they are a little different. If you notice on here, you've got one light, two lights, and your laser. Because this had floodlight, UV light, and laser. Well, on this one, you've got your floodlight, your UV light. They've now added a red light to it, and your laser. So basically, you've got spotlight, wing lights, laser, red light, whoops, and UV light. Knew that was going to happen. So let's take that out of the way. So now you kind of see the difference. So it's really intuitive. You've got this dial control here. So the first thing you're going to do is put it on your UV red light. So like I said, this is really intuitive. I'm going to show you how well this works with the UV light and the red light. But what I'm going to do quickly is turn off the lights, the side lights, so you can kind of see that. Hold on while I do that. All right, so I have those side lights turned off, and we just have the overhead light on. So it's one press, and you've got your UV light on. You can see it right there. And that works great. Right here, I put this glow-in-the-dark Swiss Army knife handle. Now let's turn this off, the overhead. So now you can really kind of see the way that works. And you can see that coming right back to life. But if you double click it, it turns it to a red beam. Now, where you'd want a red beam is, red beam protects your night vision. So if you are using night vision equipment, you can turn this on, you'll be able to see and not give away your position. And you can really crank that up by just holding it down. And then you can put it into a signal mode by pressing it 3 times, which is really great. And then put it back into regular mode, and then just press it down real quick to turn it off. So really easy to use there. All right, let's turn the lights back on and show you what else it could do. All right, let's get this out of the way. Now let's go to the next setting. On the next setting, you've got your spotlight. And you've got multiple settings. Goes on low, and then as you hold the button down, it increases the brightness. Until you're at max brightness, you'll get that little flash. Now, this thing is really bright. This is 3,200 lumens when you have it in turbo mode. So we'll click it back down to the low mode and go cranking through all the different light modes. Now, if you triple clip it, you go into a defensive strobe, and that is a bright light. This is really great. If you need to use this in a self-defense situation, no problem. I will turn that off. It also has a SOS mode. So if you click it when you're in that mode, it'll shine out in Morse code, shining in SOS. So you've got your ... dash 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 ... So if you need to signal for help, you can do that. So again, this is ridiculously bright. The thing about this is that you've got your overall, let's talk about it, 3,200 lumens max output on this, which is really, really bright. Then you've got your defensive strobe. You've got your SOS mode. Now, what's great about this after that is you have your laser. So the laser works fantastic. This is great for signaling. In my case, it's great for playing with my cat. I love using this as a cat toy. So this flashlight serves a lot of purposes. It's a camping light. It's a UV light. It's a great light, to work with your night vision. It's a great floodlight, spotlight, and overall, it's a great cat toy. So it's got multiple uses. But what I love about this is it's got multiple ways you can mount it. Obviously, you've got this nice pocket carry clip. It's a little bit heavy, but you could attach it to the brim of a hat because it is facing the right direction. You've got your tripod mount. Also, this is magnetic. So let's get something metal and show you exactly what that's like. So we'll take out my Devo Mash. And look at that. So if you're working on your car, ooh, that was pretty solid. If you're working on your car or you need to mount it somewhere so you can do work, you've got that as well. This thing is built like a tank. This is all metal construction. Really fantastic. The other thing about this is that unlike a lot of other lights on the market, you can unscrew this here and you can change the battery. So that's great because you can keep a spare battery with you and not have to worry about running out of battery. Like if you're out somewhere and you can't charge it, you could always have that secondary battery, which is fantastic. So I personally like that. That's big. Also too, what I didn't show you here is it actually tells you what everything here does. So it has your instructions basically in here to tell you how to operate it. You've got that under each wing. So that's nice. Now what I didn't show you is how bright you can crank this. You're going to turn these lights up the same way you did the forward facing light. Just by holding this down and you can crank this and these get bright. I mean, this is just fantastic. You could also give it to a kid to use as a satellite. you know, not that you'd want to give this to a kid because this is way too nice to give to a kid, but I'm just saying, kind of looks like a space satellite. So now you've got your charging port right here. So it makes it very easy. No proprietary charging. It just uses a regular USB-C cable. And like I said, it's got weight to it. So this is going to be heavy in the pocket, but definitely worth it. So that's the Wurrkos HD02 Pro. And this is its sibling, the HD02. Both fabulous lights. Now, I'm going to put on the screen, basically right here somewhere, all its capabilities with a chart, so that way you can look at it. Now, again, it's 3,200 max output lumens and 330 meters of beam distance. So, I mean, that's pretty amazing. And you've got just about every angle covered. You know, it can do just about everything you want. And, you know, the big thing to me is that you could swap out the batteries, you know. So with me having two of these flashlights, I could actually take the battery out of this one, keep it in a pack, use both, you know, or just bring both flashlights because they both make great camping lights. But what I love is that the controls are so intuitive. Really, really intuitive. Okay, so the waterproof rating is IPX6, which is a pretty good rating on that. Now, it weighs in at 8.78 ounces. So again, it's not a light flashlight, but it's worth the extra weight because of everything it can do. Lastly, it takes a full charge in only 2.5 hours. So that if you don't only have one battery, you need to charge it 2.5 hours, and that's fantastic. I mean, it'll charge completely to full. And when it's in its floodlight and it's set at its maximum, it's got a 2.5 hour runtime. If you have it set in your low mode, it'll run for 145 hours. So really great right there. All right, folks, that is the Wurrkos HD02 Pro. I hope you like it. And if you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.